Hello and welcome to part 13 of house build. Last episode we got the roof completed. So in this episode we're going to go ahead and install the windows that just got here. So we'll be able to seal the house off a little bit better, and that'll be nice since it's pretty chilly here. So we'll put the flashing around the windows, put our Tyvek wrap on. We have the garage door that was just installed. Let's take a look at this garage door. Now the trim around the outside is just tacked up, so we can remove that when we put some coil wrap around the 1-bys here. On the inside, looks like fairly nice install of the garage door. We're going to be putting a garage door opener on this once we get done with the house. So we have a little lock over here, and everything looks good. Check it, make sure that it opens all the way up, and that works great. We have it wired up for a garage door opener. Have the sensor wires run. So we're all set and ready for the garage door opener when that time comes. So outside the garage, we had the bricks delivered for the front of the house and the stone, along with all the materials for the stone to be installed. So that'll be coming up here real soon. Let's take a look down in the basement. Got some more framing done down here. There's going to be 2 walls on either side of the basement staircase going back upstairs. We're still waiting on the front door and the rear sliding door, and we still have to tack down some of this house wrap before the siding gets done. We also have to build up the closet walls in the 2 bedrooms, and you can see we have insulation behind where the tub is going to go in the main bathroom. So we got our door. Unfortunately, we had the wrong door delivered. The customer wanted a door with blinds built in, so we have an extra door sitting around right now that we'll have to return or get rid of. So we've got our mechanics starting to be installed. We've got our ductwork for our bath fans being installed. The HVAC guys are here and they're working on that ductwork as well. And they'll cut holes here. We'll use these wall pockets for return vents. We'll take a look at that in the basement. There's another wall pocket here that we're going to use for a return vent. Once the drywall is put up, that will act as a return vent. We have our garage door and our dryer vent. And another vent fan goes out from the main bathroom outside. And our vents, and we have those covered so no debris gets down in there. This is a neat little trick that I like to watch. They tie the covers for the vents on, pull them up, and then just pull them in, and they are connected. So we have 2 vent fans in the master. One's right above the shower and one is right above the commode. So that's why there's 2 exits there. So looking down in the basement, you can see the cutouts for all the returns. So this pocket in between these joists is going to be a return. Same with this one here. Also over here. And then we go over to the dryer vent, and you can see that this joist is cut all the way through. So that's going to have to be repaired. So check back and see how we fix the joist in the next part of House Build. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.